Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for some fishing outdoor style gloves, this video just might be for you. So this company, River Runs, reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of not one, not two, not three different styles, but 4 different styles of outdoor, primarily fishing gloves and what all they are all about. But no way whatsoever this being provided to me affect this review because I'm just here to keep it real. These are a camo color. They have a leather, an extra leather, not too thick to where it like impede your grip or anything, but a little extra just to kind of hold up to the durability right here. These just happen to be more of a dark gray leather on the fingers here. Then there's also this style. Now this style is a little bit different because this style has this here woven in rubbery type grip. So if you were trying to hold on to something, let's just say a wet fishing rod, or if it's cold, especially when things are really cold, you might be ice fishing or something like that, this rubber grip here definitely comes into play. Or if you are lucky enough to catch the old fish and you have to give it a good grip, this is going to definitely help you grip the old fish, if you know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about. There are a couple different other styles. This is more of a lighter color here, lighter in blue, again with the light gray. This one does not have that mesh here. This little, again, it's pretty cool. Actually, this is now my favorite because it's like really grippy. I'm just thinking about, fish dropping onto my hands. And then there's this one as well. And so this is more of a lighter color, as you can tell, compared to the one I'm wearing. Very, very cool. Now, these do not have any kind of like Velcro straps or anything like that, which I really, really like because you just slide them on. And so they come on very nice and neat, just like this. Goes on, goes just like this. It is form-fitting, so it's stretchable and fits right over. I believe this is the size large, but they have enough give that, if you got smaller hands or larger hands, there's some grip here to it. I do like that if you were to be outdoors and wear these from a long sleeve standpoint, you can cover it up. Also, when you're taking these on and off, they have this extra built-in support here, so if you're pulling these to, get them on nice and tight, you don't have to worry about ripping these or anything. They also have built-in sunscreen protection up to 50, which is pretty good. Another benefit is that, let's just say you are needing to reach into your phone and do something, you have full access to your phone, so you can touch everything. You're not hindered because your fingertips are exposed and you're allowed to do different things. Also, because you're probably fishing, having the ability to have access to your line, and you can get a good grip, especially if you're needing to tie a lure or something like that. You're not hindered in any way by your gloves because the gloves are thin enough to not impede your grip or anything, but they're there from a sunscreen protection standpoint, and I would assume from a just general weather protection. Boom. And I'm not even impeded whatsoever. Very, very cool and convenient. Also, just from a grip standpoint, you can see here like I have full control over a reel. Also, the benefit of having your fingertips exposed, especially when you're using a baitcaster reel or even a spinning reel, you want to have enough of your finger here or here so you can either prevent a backlash or get an accurate cast because your fingertip is exposed. Very nice and convenient. Again, from a comparison standpoint, this is the one that's got the silicone. That's what that is actually. It's a silicone woven in there. So you can see the parts are the same, but it's just a little bit different. One last cool thing is that these are washable. So if you're out doing your biz and you catch a fish or they get dirty or whatever it is, these things, you can throw them right in the laundry and it's not gonna hurt them whatsoever. Another plus. Hopefully this answers any question you might have about this actually really, really impressive gloves by the company River Runs, and we'll talk to you soon.